So the structure of your YouTube video is the most important factor in whether your video and your channel is a success. Wow, that is a lot of pressure, right? But don't worry, because I'm here to give you these 7 key elements that you must include in all of your videos, and that is coming up next. Hey, welcome back. It's Tracy with VideoScriptSuccess.com, where I help you take your scattered but brilliant ideas and turn them into videos that convert. Listen, I need you to hit that subscription button and that notification bell so that you get all of my tips, tricks, and tools for making great online videos. Speaking of videos, today we're going to talk about the structure of your YouTube videos. It is the most important thing, as I mentioned before, that you need to master if you want your audience to stick around. And I hear you on the interweb saying, but Tracy, what about SEO? What about social media integration? What about the tags? Aren't those really important? And they are, but they are secondary. They are the icing on your cake. By the way, the cake is your video structure, just in case you didn't get that. Anyway, I want you to get this right. So today we're going to dive in and talk about the 7 elements you must include in each of your YouTube videos. Let's start with number 1. Okay, your key number 1 is the hook. It's a little bit of a tease to get the audience interested so that they keep watching the rest of your video. You have to let them know why they should stay, what is coming up next, and then literally say, and that is coming up next. And then that jumps right into key number 2, which is your title sequence. It could be as simple as your logo popping up on screen with a little stinger underneath it. A stinger is just like a little couple of phrases of music, or it could be as intricate as a montage, a lifestyle montage with a little more music underneath it, or it could be what I do, a little animated intro with just a little bit of music under it. It's just something to move them along, a bridge, a bumper, till they get to key number 3, and that's your intro. And this is not brain science, people. We literally pop back in from our title sequence and welcome the audience back, and then tell them who you are. Hi, this is Tracy Phillips with VideoScriptSuccess.com, where I help you take your brilliant and scattered ideas, right? So you want to tell people why you are the authority and why they should keep watching, which then pops right into the 4th element, and you want to ask them to subscribe. Do not let them go, and you want to do it up front. Ask them to subscribe to your channel and hit that little notification bell so that they get notified every time you have a video that goes live. But you need to give them a compelling reason. Maybe a compelling reason could be that they want to get all your tips, tricks, and tools to make great online videos. Something like that might work. And then you're going to hop right into element number 5, and that is to teach. Remember, YouTube is a search engine, so people are searching. Give it to them. You could give a sequence of steps. You could do a tutorial. You could do a listicle like I like to do, like the 7 key elements of this or the 5 most essential of that. But you want to make sure that you're leaving your audience with some write-downables is what I like to call them. So people can write it down and they feel like they've gotten a lot of value. Now, a little note here. I like to keep people on YouTube and give them some more value. So I'll send them or reference another video that I've done. So for instance, we're talking about YouTube video structure, but maybe you're interested in Facebook Lives and you missed my video last week on the structure of a Facebook Live video. Bing! Did you see that little eye pop up? Yeah, it's called a card, and it's a clickable icon that'll bring you to another video. Here's the thing, YouTube wants you to keep people on YouTube. I know, crazy, right? But do it. Make sure when you're using that little information card and sending people somewhere, you're sending them to other YouTube videos, preferably your videos, but if not, a helpful video on YouTube. It'll help your rankings. Okay, and number 6 is your close and your CTA, or call to action. Listen, you want to wrap up your video, right? But then you want to give them something to do. Is it to leave a comment? You want to have them download something, or you want them to subscribe to your channel. Tell them to subscribe to your channel and then tell them why, because you're here every week, right? Give them something to do. And then you're done, but that's not it. Nope, we still have key number 7, and that is your end card or end slate or end screen, whatever you want to call it. There's a screen that's going to pop up at the end of your video, which you have to put in there sending them to more of your videos. It's better for your ranking. And like I said, YouTube wants to keep people on YouTube. Shocking. So I'm not going to leave you hanging. In the description there's a great resource called tubertools.com, and they can help you make this end slate. And then you can go to tutorials on YouTube on how to get that end slate into your own video. Now, I hope that you have found this helpful. And if you have, I want you to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. See what I did there? And I will see you every Friday right here on YouTube.